So you know that, and Humayun was the second king of Mughal dynasty, first Babur, who was captured Delhi 1526. 1526 called the first battle of Panipat. Second battle of Panipat 1556, right? So first battle of Panipat starts 1556. So that time Babur he was captured Delhi, and after 4 years he was passed away. He had 4 sons. First Humayun, elder son named called the Humayun. So Humayun, you know that he was not same like a Babur. He had some weakness. So that time, and Sesasur he was challenged the Humayun Khanbar and Chausa battle. So Sesasur was defeated and Humayun exiled of country. Exile means gone out of India. So you know that time Humayun he was spent that time in Sirhind, near about Afghanistan and Pakistan area. That is called Sirhind area. So that time Akbar was born. But Sesasur was passed away 1550. Then Humayun he was recaptured Delhi, and he was passed away in 1556. That time Akbar he was only for the 12-year-old child. So Akbar teacher Bairam Khan support the Akbar and shipped Akbar Delhi to Agra, right? So after Akbar, so before you know that Humayun have a senior widow name called the senior wife name called Hamida Banu Begum, also known Haji Banu Begum. So she decided she wants to dedicate a tomb and build a beautiful tomb in India. So she had some idea. So she was invited a lot of engineer and architect from the Persian country, but Mirza Gap. He was also known the Persian architecture who was architect this tomb. So he was designed the tomb as like a onion shape. Have a look at proper onion shape and 45-degree angles. So have a look, just like this is a four side, here is an entrance gate. One entrance gate here, one entrance gate here, one entrance gate here, one entrance gate here. So this is entrance gate, that side also, and that side also, right? So it is like as according to the culture, Muslim culture, Mughal also Muslim, right? It is also as according to Islamic culture. So according to the Islamic culture, tomb it is called the heaven. Heaven. In heaven you can see that there is a 4 gate, right? And 4 garden. So every side here is a garden. Like both side I designed the garden here. And every side water channel. Water was stream one side to another side. So there is a water stream from that side. Have a look there. So one side to another side. And every side is a water logging system and fountain and like a garden. So in heaven there is a 4 garden system. So welcome to the Garden of Paradise.
Welcome to
Am I right? Garden of
Paradise.
So secondly, and there is also a gate, and that side is a 4 gate. But tomb was original grave is on the plain. Have a look at plain. There is a window system, right? That is called plain. And tomb used to the 45-degree angles. Like this is a tomb, so it is like a 45-degree angles and like 90-degree angles. Have a look. Accurate 90 degree and 45 degree, like there to there and there to there. Proper 45 degree angle. Right? So it is like, and basically used to the great combination of Mughal and Hindu architectural style. Have a look that center of the gate and both sides they are used to the star. You know that star, like this kind of star, right? And center of the star, they are used to the lotus flower. Lotus is always known the symbol of spiritual, according to the Hinduism. In star, actually there is a lot of meaning. Different religion is different meaning. First, it was start from the Hinduism. Hinduism, 3 gods. G-O-D. G for generate, O for operate, D for destroy. That is called God. Generate, operate and destroy. Right? So we have 3 gods, Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. Right? So Brahma, Vishnu and Mahesh. And 3 goddesses, Lakshmi, Saraswati and Parvati. Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, goddess of wealth and goddess of education, whatever knowledge, and goddess of power, right? So according to the biology, which one angles goes up, that is called the Luca rays, and which one is come down, that is called genesis, and combined called the genetics. What I am saying? Which one angles goes up, that is called Luca rays, which one come down, that is called genesis, and combined called the genetics, means like a XX and XY
chromosome.
chromosome. So this is called the symbol of creation.
Oh, super.
This is called symbol of
Singularity.
creation. Second thing, according to the Judaism, called the Star of David. जो गूंजती है, that is called a means like a reflection of sound. जो बार-बार आपको सुनाई देती है. So when they start the prayer, the namaz, they use to the loudspeaker. So that time there is not available to loudspeaker, they use to the ecosystem inside. So every side used to the white marble and red stone, sandstone, yellow stones, and black onyx. Black onyx it was taken from the Iran. But red stone taken from the Makrana city, Rajasthan, which one is 340 kilometers far away. That every side used to the garden. So garden used as according to the Mughal as called the Garden of Paradise. So it is a beautiful tomb. So may you guys and click the picture, and you have to visit here and come back here within 20 minutes for the time for visiting. After that we have to go to lunch. Okay, so please check your time. Who was getting late, so they will pay the all people lunch charge. That's true.
மினி தாஜ்மஹால் பக்கம் வந்திருக்கோம். இப்போ பார்க்குறது தான் மினி தாஜ்மஹால். கைடு வந்திருக்காரு. மோஸ்ட்லி எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருப்பாரு. பாருங்க. தாஜ்மஹால் மாடியில் வந்து நடந்துகிட்டு இருக்கோம். ஸோ இதுதான் அந்த மினி தாஜ்மஹால். ஸோ அந்த பிளேஸுக்கு குயிக்காக வந்தனால இதை பற்றி நான் ரெஃபர் பண்ணல. ஸோ அந்த கைடு வந்து கொஞ்சம் எக்ஸ்பிளைன் பண்ணியிருப்பாருன்னு நம்புகிறேன். ஸோ இங்கே வந்து இந்த பில்டிங் ஃபுல்லாமே பெயிண்ட் எப்படின்னா, ஸோ வந்து நேச்சுரல் பெயிண்ட் தான் வந்து யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. பயாலஜிக்கல் பெயிண்ட்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ அந்த பெயிண்ட்ஸை யூஸ் பண்ணுறதுனால என்னென்னா, அந்த பெயிண்ட் வந்து அழிவே அழியாதான். ஸோ வந்து எவ்வளோ காலம் ஆனாலும் சரி, பெயிண்டோட குவாலிட்டி வந்து ரொம்ப லாங் டைம் இருக்குமா. ஃபர்தராக இதை பற்றி ஹிஸ்ட்ரி வந்து நான் டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷனில் போடுறேன். ஸோ வந்து அதோட வியூ வந்து அப்படியே பாருங்கள். ஸோ எப்படி வந்து அது கட்டியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு.
Qutbuddin Abbasi was the founder of the Salab dynasty, and he was first Islamic ruler who was ruling in India. So Qutbuddin Abbasi was built, he was laid foundation that tower as a victory purpose because he was the first Islamic ruler who was ruling in India. But he didn't complete the tower, and he was passed away 1211 AD. And his son-in-law Samsuddin Al-Tutmis, he was complete the tower 1236 AD. First of all, it is 7 floor, but 2 floor was pressed down by lightning and earthquake, and it was repaired 2 times. First time repaired by Firoz Tughlaq, and second time Sikandar Lodi. Actually, it is called first tallest stone tower in UNESCO World.
ஃபுல்லாகவே ரொம்ப பழமையான பில்டிங்காக இருக்குது. ஸோ மழை அதிகமாக வந்துட்டுருக்கு. ஸோ நம்ம சீக்கிரமாக போய் உள்ள ஷூட் பண்ணலாம். பழமையாக எவ்வளோ ட்ரெடிஷ்னலாக எவ்வளோ அழகாக வந்து பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு. ஸோ ரொம்ப ட்ரெடிஷ்னலாக ரொம்ப பழமையான ஒரு பில்டிங் இது. அது மட்டும் இல்லாமல் இங்கே இருக்கக்கூடிய பில்டிங்ஸும் சரி எல்லாமே சூப்பராக வந்து ரொம்ப பழைய காலத்தை ரெப்ரசன்ட் பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு பில்டிங்காக இருக்குது. ஸோ எல்லாமே அப்படியே பாருங்கள். மழை பெஞ்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்கு, அதை ஷூட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு ரொம்பவே அழகாக இருக்குது. இப்போ இந்த பிளேஸை பார்க்கும்போது இன்னும் அருமையாக இருக்குது. ஸோ அந்த வியூவை வந்து பாருங்கள்.